Hi friends, welcome to Cheap Car Repair. It's the Panda King 123, and I hope you enjoy. I have no idea what this game is about. I saw it on Steam, and I was like, ooh, yes. Year 1995, middle of something. Field force and unemployment. The day he found it. It's kind of really loud. The refurbishing of the brakes wasn't the best idea. Oh, shoot. That's not good. Ow. Dude. Okay. You shift to run? Okay. Okay. Sebastian, local beating is failing in the cylinder. Sure. So I have to repair cars? Looks like. Oh man. Oh. Nice, satisfying. This is nice, this is nice. Let's give him a whole new back. Beginnings are always hard. Okay. You could probably get that in a minute. If I like. I don't know what it is beeping at me. And I want to get this rust off. I know it told me to do that. Can I crouch? No, I can't crouch. Yeah, control. Ah, we can crouch. Okay, how did I do that? Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna give you an entire new hood. There. I got the hood all completely white now. Okay. Definitely didn't give this guy an entire white car. Definitely not. Definitely just the hood. Definitely didn't just erase all the green on his car. Definitely not. That would be bad. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Now I'm gonna. Oh wait, I forgot a spot. But I just made this whole thing so much harder for me. Because now I have to spray this whole thing. Okay, that's not that bad. But I'll see you when it's done. As I'm finishing up, it gives me this thing that says enough. No one will be merging it with a gouache. Grab the polisher so the paint looks original. But okay, we're to this now. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever. I'll see you when it's done again. Look how satisfying this is. Look how satisfying. Look at that. All shiny. Still not done with this, but look at that. That's just beautiful. Oh, let's. Oh my gosh. Clean. Thank you, thank you. Oh. Oh no. That's moved. Shiny. Brand new car. Yeah, look, enough. No one will be measuring it with a gouache. No. It's not done. I still have the roof. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna make this perfect. Ah, I missed the spot. I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Looks nice. Looks nice. Alright, now call Sebastian to pick up the wreck. That wreck. It looks good though. Wait, no. You see how that's yellow? No. No! Oh. Somebody forget to pay the bills. Maybe borrow a bit of electricity from the neighbor. They surely won't mind. Okay. Let's see what we gotta do. Oh, I wanna clean this though. I think I'm supposed to just clean that car. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Okay, so sneak back here. Okay. How am I supposed to fit to this? Crouch, I guess? What? Oh. Just comes apart. Get on my way. This is our neighbor's house, guys. You gotta be quiet. Shh! I said be quiet. What do we need this for? Oh, I'm supposed to do this. Ow! Ow! That freaking hurt. Gosh. Green, red, yellow, blue. Green, red, yellow, blue. Green, red, yellow, blue. Ow! It's so loud. It is so freaking loud. It's like blasting in my ear. Okay, now, oh, I can't hear my music. Let's go jam. Let's go jam. Open. Well, music's off. Stranger Things. This song reminds me too much of Stranger Things. Fix up your car a bit. It's a shame to look at it. Okay. You know what? I'm probably gonna need to paint it. So what we're gonna do? Can I come over here? Can I drop? What can I drop things? Okay. I can drop things. I'm gonna grab you. And was it B that I clicked? V and G. Okay. Let me grab you. Oh, wrong one. G. Okay. Alright, so I gotta... Did I like put this into like... Oh. No, not yet. Oh, what's that? No, I am not going to drink that. But okay. So this is just my little car. To all you people watching and you don't want to see this, skip to this time right here. Skip to this time right here. And that's when it's done. But I'm gonna keep going. Alright. So, okay, we're gonna just scrub this all up. And once we scrub all this off, what I want to do is I want to see if our magic green paint turns red, or we can make our car green. You know. Scrub all that. I was about to say though, like, we're cleaning other people's cars. Why don't we just clean this car? I guess we are. And that's a good thing. Yep. It's satisfying though. I like it. So what I think happened is like this is like good old days, you know, raced cars or something. This thing crashed. This is our car, I guess. And yeah, we just put that good old days behind us or something. That's what it seems like. Lightning McQueen. This actually reminds me of that one car from Cars. But this is the one where it's like, these are the eyes. I can't remember which one it is. I cannot remember which one exactly it is. But it's the one where it's the eyes right here, and it's the stereotype. Cars. Because you know how cars, their eyes are right here, but their headlights, you know. Yeah. You get it. But yeah. Do we become our car? Do we become that car from Cars? Because us, the car becomes the car, and we're in cars, and we're gonna drive cars. Like cars. Like, oh my gosh. It's great. Blade. Yes. Just paint my vehicle. I'll paint my vehicle when I feel like painting my vehicle. It's my vehicle. It's my vehicle. I do like it white though, but that red is really annoying. Let's see what other colors we actually have. Oh, we got blue, we got yellow, we got red. What color should I do? Blue. I want to do blue. I'm gonna do blue. And yes, I know that there's still red on there, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. We'll just make it the Wait! I can make it an American car. We'll just... No, I'm not gonna do that. That's too much work. I'm just gonna make it blue. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it blue. Can you spray, please? Thank you. I'm gonna put a logo on the top though. I'm gonna put a logo on the top. What logo should I do? We're gonna have the coolest car in town. Oh, I know exactly. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have the base of blue, and then we're gonna go around and we're gonna spray dots of red and yellow and green. Oh yeah. We're gonna have the clown car. Oh yeah. That's gonna be fun. And then, that way, the red blends in more. You know? Smart. I'm smart. Okay, get up on top. It's very shiny, so I don't know what's actually blue in it. No! I'm not done. I'm not done. You can't tell me I'm done until I'm done. We'll polish it later. But let's get the colors. Reminds me of Sully right now. Okay. There's those colors right now. I'll help. Wait, what? No customers? It's time to let everyone know you exist. Find the sign in front of your yard gate and fix it. Okay. We'll do that in a minute. I'm busy right now. Gonna make that right there. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna go grab the yellow. Look at that. Heck yeah. To those who skipped to this part of the time, to this time, this is the car. You either like it or you love it. You either like it or you love it. Okay, now back with the game. No customers? It's time to let everyone know you exist. Find the sign in front of your yard. Your yard gate and fix it. Perfect. Get over here. I'm gonna have to clean this thing, bro. Look at this. Look how dirty this is. We'll come back to that. We're gonna clean it. Speedy auto service isn't very original. I wasn't gonna do that. What should we do? I don't know, guys. Oh, you know what? I got it. Let me just... Okay, I got it. Perfect. Look at that. I love it. I want to spray paint something on it though. I want to like put the... Well, let me take you. I grab some spray. Wait! Oh! I didn't even see that said that. Oh. Perfect. You know what, actually, I'm gonna change the name. The cloud shop. And let's grab red. Red's not over here. Red's over here. Ah. Okay, well somebody's here. Okay, I'll help you in just a minute, sir. Or ma'am. And Angelica, okay. Fluids, okay! Gosh. Entitled people these days. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm not gonna add it anymore. But on the back. I don't know. I'm gonna put you guys with this. I'm gonna put you that way. Oh, tire. Oh. Oh. Give me that. Oh, okay. Put you right there. You. Medium battery. Every car you can top off or change the essential fluids. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now what? Is this on the outside? Okay. I never know what these things. I don't know what these things. These freaking things right here. Okay, container. Gasoline. Petrol. We got all petrol. Fill it up. No more. Okay. Drop that. Gonna do the rest of this with a British accent, cause that says petrol. I'll put that back, I guess. Sorry. Right, put the rest of water in here. Perfect. Drop that. Grab you. Open you. Pour you in there. And put all of you in there. If I have to make more, I will. Let me make more for you. Bloop. Oh, I can, that's not good. Oh, can I put you in there? Can I put you in? That just means we're gonna have to put some water in there. Lots of water. Okay, that's probably enough. Let me put you. Oh, look at that. Now we can take you and pour the rest of you in there. Oh shoot, that's not good. Okay, I give up on the British accent. Can only remove the wheel after unscrew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Loosen? No. I kind of may have unscrewed a part here. Oh shoot. Just gonna completely mess up this girl's car. Click on the part and all the bolts holding it. At the bolt. Loosen and tighten. Okay, okay. Okay, so I can tighten. That's good. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so many screws. I hate this. I hate how there's so many screws. Let me out. Goodness gracious. Give me a... Chop that. Give me a... Throw that off there. Okay, now change part. Okay, I'm gonna... Get out of here. Put it back on there. Put it back on there. No. Put it back on there. Put it back on there. Grab you. You can VT... okay. I don't know if that was the same screw, but hopefully I fixed it. Wait, I saw that. Okay. Hopefully we did that right. Oh my gosh, I can just completely dismantle her car. Hey, come pick up your car. Perfecto. Got 80 bucks. How many more of these do I gotta do, bro? Now it's Power Wash Simulator. That's heavier dirt. Oh no, I was lying. The water's just gonna go down there and fill up. And then how am I supposed to... Oh. You asked me to clean it. I'm gonna clean it. I'm not gonna leave it half done. Ow. I will do that. In a minute. Game rushes me. You have to deal with it. Okay, see, look. Boom. Okay, now. Open you. What is that? I gotta purchase new parts for these. Are they paying? Oh yeah, they are paying me. So I guess, never mind. What was I needed? What did I need? Oh! Look at that, I can... Oh! Paint? What? That's insane! That's cool, but what part did I need? Oh shoot, where did the part go? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Fuel filter. Okay. Fuel filter. Fuel or fume? Because I don't want to have to buy something and... Fuel. It's a fuel. Fuel filter. Oh, it's literally right here. It's literally been highlighted this whole time. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Pops out of thin air. Good to know. Okay. Now get that belt. Get out of here. Oh. I need you. Come back. Hold on. Oh, okay. I just needed to remove it. I didn't need to destroy it, like completely get rid of it. Wait, where's my freaking wrench? Where's my wrench? Wash my belly. Oh, yes. But where? Where's my wrench? Did it teleport back here? So, oh my gosh. You can't do this to me. Drop you. Grab you. You. Okay, I'm glad that it... Give me you. Oh my gosh. Okay. My neighbor's garage. Alright, the old alternator is out, but where to find a new one? Maybe the neighbor has one. The neighbor does. The most annoying part is having to... I'm just gonna borrow this from you. My bad. Oh. I'm gonna have to come back for those, aren't I? What if I just like used these parts to like put my car back together? You know what I mean? I mean, like, I bet. I'm tired. Oh no, where'd it go? Did it fall through? Please tell me it fell through. And then it's just like, okay. Okay. That was you? Nope, you're the old one. You can go right in there. You can go right in there. Ow, freaking wrench. If a part has any fasteners, such as... Okay. Huh? The job requires changing the fluid. You must completely empty the tank by pouring out the old contents first. Yeah, how do I do that? Oh, do I have to go on the bottom of this? Oh my gosh. Where's my screw? My wrench, bro. You're like the most useful thing I need. I know nothing about cars. So these... Am I supposed to, like... Oh! Delicious. I'm not thirsty anymore. Wait. I'm gonna put. Can I put that back? Yeah. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, bro. The thing on the bottom. I didn't even read that. Get out of here. You know what? I have to call him to come back. I didn't even put these back yet. Let me just put these back first. Perfect. I'll close that. And then a smiley face. Wait. Oh! Oh my gosh, I forget that does that. That does that. That's unfortunate.
Do telefonu. Halo? Dlaczego mój samochód zgasł na pierwszym zakręcie po wyjechaniu z twojego warsztatu, he? Zapłacisz mi za to.
Different language. What? I didn't even know what he said. Something that I'm gonna have to pay for. Guess. Oh my gosh!
No na co się gapicie? Pakować go do bagażnika. Teraz zobaczę, co to znaczy zajść mi za skórę, mechanik od 7 boleści. Oj, nie zadziera się z Jarzyną.
Wow. Interesting demo, interesting demo. An interesting end. Very, very interesting end. I liked it though. But there's a lot of parts and that stresses me out. That makes me like overwhelmed. But that's it for today, friends. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you'd like to see more of this car shop game, don't forget to like the video. Until next time, bye.